Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Animatrix. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to edit a clean logo animation template in After Effects. Whether you're working on a professional intro or a sleek brand reveal, this guide will help you customize your template quickly and easily. Let's check out some samples for this template. You can also check out my other template tutorials and pick the one you require for your project. So let's quickly get started with the edit tutorial for clean logo animation. Don't skip the video, else you will not understand the composition settings of this template. First, open After Effects and load your clean logo animation template. Most templates are well organized with folders labeled logo placeholder, text, and background. These are the key areas we'll be editing. Before rendering, preview your project by pressing the spacebar. Check for any misaligned elements or timing issues. Make adjustments as needed to ensure everything flows smoothly. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to render. Go to Composition, Pre-render. Else press Ctrl-M on your keyboard to render. Choose your output format, typically H.264 for online use, and select your destination folder. Click Render, and your clean logo animation is ready to use. And that's it. A clean, professional logo animation is ready in just a few steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Creative Animatrix, and let me know in the comments what kind of animations you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.